everyone, it's Nisha. So we're doing another 5-minute eyes. This might be a bit longer than 5 minutes. This is the look that you really liked from one of my Monday videos with the pop of blue. So you wanted to see how I did that. I'm going to use today some of these deck of Scarlet foiled eyeshadows. Some Makeup Geek. I will list them all down below. So first I'm going to use Amy Rose from Deck of Scarlet, and I'm going to put it all over my mobile lid. I'm going to put it in my inner corner as well. Now I'm going to use Hoax from MAC in my crease. And I'm going to blend it right high up. And I'm going to carry on with that Hoax, darkening up my crease. Now I'm going to take the KIKO eyeliner, Intense Color Long Lasting Eyeliner in number 14, Matita Cochi. It's a lovely cobalt blue. And with that, I'm going to put it under my lash line. And I'm going to smudge it. I'm going to extend it a bit. And I know you always tell me don't stretch your eye. Well, I have to. It's so loose and wrinkly. If I don't stretch it, my pencil went up on my cheek. So you have to stretch your eye very gently. And then I'm going to slightly connect it with my upper lash line. Smudge it a bit. And now I'm going to use the Deck of Scarlet blue eyeshadow called Sande, I think. Like I said, I will link those colors down below. It's a beautiful pearly blue. So I'm going to go over that pencil and just on the edge of my outer 7. And then I'm also going to go with it over my pencil on my lower lash line. Take a clean brush and just diffuse it a bit. Now blend it all out a bit. And now I'm going to do mascara, KIKO Faux 2.0. For my lips, I'm going to use Dior Airy Mauve. I think this color is quite hard to get now, and I don't have that sort of mauve color in any other pencil, and really I should have sharpened it. I really should have sharpened it. Ignore this bit. My lipstick is a Max Factor Angel Pink. I think this looks a bit 80s, but 80s is back. And if you, this is beautiful, really pearly lipstick, but if you want more sparkle, you could use the Revlon Pink Diamond, I think. Yeah. And here is your finished look. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye. On the run from my given disaster.